Hi designers, today we are diving into the heart of the Figma. Yes, the Figma interface. Understanding the technical names of the various sections can boost your Figma proficiency, and by remembering the technical names, you can easily find the problem you may face in the future. So let's uncover the technical names of the Figma interface. Figma interface divided into the four primary sections. We have got this top bar, left panel, the right panel, and the centered area, also known as the canvas. First, we have the top bar area. Like this is a command center for the Figma. It houses the whole main menu, your tool sets, and the action related to the file you are working on, and collaboration and the view design option as well. We will discuss each component action in detail in the future videos, so stay tuned for that. Moving on the left panel, here you will find the layer assets and the find option as well. Inside the layer panel, every component on your canvas is neatly listed in the hierarchical manner. So for example, as you may see that I have first created the frames and the inside I also created the rectangle. So in the layer panel, you can also see the hierarchy between them. Knowing the hierarchy allows you to easily identify parent level elements. It's like having a map of your design journey. So don't worry, we will go through how to leverage these tools effectively in the upcoming videos. Now let's shift our focus on the right panel, also known as the property panel as well. This is where the magic happens. Once you have selected a tools or active any element on the canvas, its setting and the property will appear here. So it's like a control setting for customization. So for example, I choose this rectangle. On this right panel, I can easily change the color of this rectangle. And in the prototype tab, this is where we define the setting for the prototypes we have created. It's an essential step in bringing your design to life with interactive elements. So, at the end, I would say understanding the technical names and the functionality of these sections is a game changing. So, in our future videos, we will be deep diving into each of these areas, unleashing the full potential of Figma for you. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and must share it with your one best friend. And then comment that I have a best friend and I did it. Until next time, happy designing.